Hello people, welcome back to the channel. Today, behind me, we have a 1975 Ford F250 Highboy. You've seen me do a couple of these in the past. I've got more coming. This one is going to be super clean. We have absolutely gone over everything, scuffed everything down. We're going to take it back to its original paint, which is a midnight metallic blue. We've got the hood over here kind of out of the shot. We're going to be painting that. We're going to be painting everything. The jambs are already painted. The firewall's painted. The top we already painted white, like the original white. So right now I've cleaned up everything for prep with glass cleaner a couple times, tack ragged it. So now we're going to be spraying the primer and the sealer. So the sealer coat, basically. It's a reduced primer from this Omni can. So we're going to sealer. My video cut a little short because of an alarm. Anyway, let's get right into it.
chill guy. I just like to take it easy. I just like to take it easy. I'm just a chill guy. I just like to take it easy. Chill guy. Chill guy. Chill guy. Chill guy. I'm just a chill guy, I just like to take it easy. I'm just a chill guy, I just like to take it easy. Chill guy. Chill guy. Chill guy. I'm just a chill guy, I just like to take it easy. Chill guy. Chill guy. Chill guy. Chill guy.
Well, there we have it, the 1977 Ford F250 after paint. Thanks for watching.